Well, hello pawb, pe bynnag o ddim ma wythnos diwetha, whoever wasn't here last week, hi everyone, my name is Sian Elin. Yeah, fi'n gweithio i Theatr Genedlaethol, a ni'n mynd i wneud bach o ddrama heddi, we're going to act again today. A mae'r plant eisiau i chi i brofi'r gemau newydd yma. The children want you to see if you like the new games and to try them out. So you're going to try the games out for us.
Diolch i chwarae'r gêm.
Lovely, da iawn, dewch i chwarae'r gêm. Plant wedi rhoi ambell i lythyren i fi ddweud wrthoch chi. Bydda i'n gweithi llythyren, I'll shout out a letter. Enghraifft, y llythyren T. A wedyn chi'n gorfod meddwl, you've got to think of a word starting with the letter T.
Llycryn A.
Afal.
Afal. Rwy'n arall yn afal?
Afal, ie.
Afal, Jeanette, Sarah Price, Sally. Lot o hwnna. Fantastic.
Athrawes.
Nawr, pam i chi dy mewn i'r sesiwn, when you come into the lesson, what I love is that everybody says, Shwmai miss. Fi'n caru hwnna, Shwmai miss. Iawn. Felly, y tro yma, this time, we're going to focus on characters, cymeriadau, okay, characters. King or queen. So who would like to go first? Who would like to say Shwmai as a king or queen, neu brenin neu brenhines?
Shwmai.
Oh, fantastic!
Shwmai.
Oh, lovely, da iawn. Shwmai.
Diolch plant, dyn ni wedi mwynhau chwarae gemau heno, and dyn ni'n edrych ymlaen at weld gemau eraill yn y dyfodol.